Hey guys, it's Kiara from myDigi Affiliate, and today we are gonna continue our My Lead Gen Secrets case study challenge with Clickbank here. Now, as you can see, did not get a sale yesterday, so let's look at the results here. Yesterday, got 475 people checked it out. Hops. Got 475 hops here. It's pretty solid here when you look at the hops general here. I pressed the wrong button, I'm sorry about that. But you look at the tracking ID here. This is what I meant to do. Thinking too much. Not the day, yesterday. And they all performed pretty well, but they did not get any sales. We'll continue, especially MLGS3 here. This is my smallest account, and I got the most amount of hops from it. So we're gonna continue on here. We're gonna go to the marketplace, and we're gonna go to e-business, e-marketing here. All right, so we're going with the same product once again, and here, I'm gonna be honest, the performance has not been as great as I have done before or expected in general. I expected at least about 2 or 3 sales by now, but it is what it is. Keep it moving here. I think this is the last email here. Yeah, confirm your application. Do I pick confirm your application or the 875 week? Let's do this. Do this one. No, let's just stick with what it says do. I'm gonna stick with what it says do here. My lead gen secrets, if you don't know, I talk about it in every video, but just in case this is a brand new video and people are picking it up for the first time, my lead gen secret system in which you can mail people every single day and you get leads every single day, and they all are interested in making money online. So when you get a lead, right, I got 30,000 leads on this account here. What I think is happening is that there's a ton of people promoting this offer on my lead gen secrets because it's been working. Even for me, like earlier, I tell you that a month ago when I was promoting this, I was making much more money than I am now for some reason. I don't know why it slowed down so much, but it is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta figure something else out. But okay, let's go ahead and keep it moving though. Run your application. To be fair, I'm not changing the title or anything from what I would. I'm just doing exactly what they say do. I'm using 3 accounts, by the way, if you're interested in knowing that. So anyway, we're just gonna copy the email here. Okay. One thing I personally learned, I don't know if it's like this with everybody, but I learned that I know some people could pick more than one link. You can pick more than one affiliate link trying to sell multiple things if you want to. But I feel like, I don't know, focusing on one thing is much more profitable. I don't know that for sure. Multiple times I tried doing multiple links. My lead gen secret said it didn't perform well. And I definitely didn't get a sale when I did that. So I feel like you focus on one product each email. Don't try to send it multiple products. It seems like a good idea. It's not. Alright, so anyway, we're gonna get our our link here. This is the first account. What's going on? There we go. Alright. Just hit that like that. Then we go back to MLGS. Click on this. Good. One thing about making money online though, you can't really give up. You definitely won't get the sale if you give up, even if it looks bleak. You know, you gotta just keep on, because it's a time thing and it takes time to do. Take time to understand what works. Take time to understand what doesn't work. And you have to continuously do that. Sometimes this is the simplest way, the cheapest way to get sales with make money online offers. Using my lead gen secrets is the cheapest way to get sales on make money online offers. Okay, so let's go to the next account here. Log in to the second account here. Mailing system, boom. Get the link here. Boom. Paste it. Perfect timing. Make sure to change the link here so you know that it's coming from the next account. Boom. And you send. It's just that simple. You do this every single day, make money. Alright? If you got the right offer. Sometimes I'm considering changing. I change offers after this one. I'm gonna try something else. I haven't decided what yet we're gonna do. But we'll figure something out. Alright, so anyway, you log out this one and you go to my next account. See, the recommended is 5 accounts. I'm only using 3. That's another thing. Put in okay. We sent that. And the thing about my lead gen secrets is that accounts aren't created the same. Like, some people just look up and get like really good accounts. Some people don't get really good accounts. That's why you want multiple accounts. You can find accounts that look really good. Alright, so go to 3. That performs really well. And I think that's about it there. Yeah. Recommended 5 to build up an income on it. Takes time to do it, but it's the easiest method to make money on it. Alright, so one more thing here. I would prefer to promote this product here, Saving Highway Global, instead of my lead gen secrets, because there's a recurring income. You make money every single month, and people stay in the program. And the thing about Saving Highway Global is that when you get in the program, you have multiple. It's all about saving money. So you save money on any kind of bills or traveling or anything like that. You can save a ton of money on, right? And you can just start this with $20, right? Start it with $20 a month, and if you get one decent sale, you're good. It's paid for every month. You know what I mean? So anyway, that's why I prefer to promote this product here. I haven't promoted it in a while. I'm thinking about getting back into promoting it tomorrow if this doesn't do too well. I just wanted to talk about it to let you guys know what I prefer to do instead of using Clickbank, and put a link in the description there for it. I put a link in the description for everything here, so get to it if you want to. But anyway, that's about it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to hit the notification bell as well. Sorry about that, I forgot. And yeah, man, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.